Hello, everyone. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season. So, this is what I prepared for my family for our Easter lunch. I decided to do a quick jollof rice, and this is how it went. You start up by heating up your oil, and your sliced onions goes in. And next, we have a tomato puree, and I'll be blending sweet pepper, onions, garlic, and habanero pepper with chopped tomatoes together. Remember, this is a quick and easy one. Okay, so this is me pouring my blended ingredients into the pan. And please don't forget to keep stirring. This is just to prevent your stew from sticking into the pot. And that's me adding rosemary. Actually, you can use any seasoning of your choice. I'm using Sankofa spices and stew. I'm using shrimp's onga cube for this recipe. Next, I'm adding salt to taste, and then I mix everything together. And please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Okay, I'm just adding in my washed rice. So I added in some water, just a little bit. But if you want your rice a bit softer, you can add some more water to it. I'm just adding in some green beans. And here we are, the finishing product. So I had already made some fried rice, grilled some chicken, and I made some cucumber salad as well. And I have my black pepper sauce. I hope this video was helpful, and please don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much for watching. Please take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.